Hi, everybody. This is Clint, co-founder of Infinity Traffic Boost, and I want to welcome you to our welcome message here for our YouTube channel. Yes, it's been a little bit slow in coming, but we are super excited about a YouTube channel. We're going to be the go-to place for training, marketing, information, updates, etc. And a big reason for that is our good friend Tim Bennett, who's sitting here with us today. Tim is instrumental. He's been a longtime member of Infinity Traffic Boost and is a super, super valuable asset to help us create a wonderful site full of information and will show us how to create some massively valuable organic traffic. Tell everybody hi, Tim.
Hey everybody, hi Clint.
Yep,
Good to be here.
welcome. Yeah, fantastic. Tim's fun to work with. Lives in the Philippines, and we have to schedule our time working together, but it's all really good. And like I said before, what we're doing here, folks, is with the YouTube channel, we want it to be a go-to source for information. Okay, we've got a lot of things happening. We're going to keep you updated on a regular basis, marketing, training, etc. But as I touched on very, very briefly, we're constructing our channel to be an ever-growing source of organic leads that you can grab by piffing them. Okay, so if someone sees our video channel and decides to join and they don't have a referral link, they get put into what we call a PIF pool or a pay it forward. I'm going to show you in a second how to find this. And you can actually go in there, see who's active and what they're doing. And if they don't have a sponsor, well, anybody in the PIF pool does not, you're able to grab them as a direct referral merely by piffing them or paying for them at TPO1, and you earn an 80% commission. Okay, so this is a great way for us to give back to you for helping us build this wonderful community. And I just want to share here with you very quickly where you can find this. I don't want to turn this into a training video, but this is pretty darn fun. Let me share this. And here in the members area, I'm going to show you a couple of things. Okay, so over here in affiliates on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to PIF referrals. Okay, these are all the people that have joined without a sponsor. Okay, now we're talking about people that come in, they either Google us or somehow get in without a sponsor. And if you want to sponsor that person, you just come over here, the dollar sign, and piff them. Bang, they become your direct referral, and you earn an 80% commission. Now, there's some training on how to look for and filter these people, find the people that will be valuable to you. But it's just a real fun way for us to give back. Okay, the other thing I want to point out is you're watching this video early on. Right here where it says Vimeo Video Showcase, we're going to get rid of that. You will see their YouTube channel. That'll take you directly to the channel from your dashboard. So I really appreciate everybody coming in. One of the other things that I want to talk about briefly, we'll let you go, is when you start watching videos, please watch it all the way through. This helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and make sure, of course, to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And of course, tell your ITB team to visit the channel and do the same. One last thing, we'll get out of here. We will be having very soon marketing materials based on the Leads Leap platform. There will be splash and capture pages and full systems to help you make as many sales as possible, helping you to earn up to 80% commissions to infinity width and infinity depth. And we greatly appreciate your time. Tim, any other thoughts that I've missed?
I just think this is a great opportunity for the members to really understand what's going on in the ITV dashboard. I see so many people in the Telegram group saying, what do I do? How do I get started? And this is going to be the resource that will help the members explain how to do things to their teams as they grow. So I think this is going to be a great tool, and I hope it's going to help a lot of people.
Fantastic. That brings up a great point. If you have any suggestions, either post them in the comments here in the channel. I will also create a topic over in the Telegram group, something along the lines of YouTube suggestions. Let us know what you want. What are you confused about? How can we help you understand better? How can we help you make more money? I want to thank everybody. Have a great one. Tim, thanks for your time.
You're welcome.
And we're out of here. Thanks, everybody.